Hello friends, greetings of the day. So today I just got an query from one of my student who was asking either we can configure ASA using Python or no. Okay, so this video is dedicated to all who wanted to know either you can configure your ASA firewall or such kind of other things also using Python, you can automate it or no. So let us start. We will describe about the script also, but meanwhile, because I need to tell you about the background, okay? So I am not from the ASA background, but even though I just try to make a small script for you guys to show you how you can leverage the Python language and you can log in into the device and you can do multiple of stuffs. Even one of the technical person, if he is creating a script, okay, so using that script, maybe a person who is we can say into the layman person can configure or can do couple of the stuff, okay, over the ASA. We created a lab over here. Okay, let me open my command prompt. This is my command prompt, and if I ping my IP of ASA 172.16.20.2 from my desktop, I can see that it is quite reachable. Okay, let me check over the port number 22 as well, 172.16.20.2 and 22. So it should be open. Okay, this is your first test you need to do, okay, to check if your device is reachable from your machine or no. Okay, now let me show you my exact device. So this is my device. Show interface IP brief. Okay, so the same IP I have configured over here, about which I was talking before some time. Okay, and this is the IP which I have configured for my lab also, and I have configured couple of access list over here just to check, just to make something of testing. So access list 10 and 11 I have configured it for our purpose. Now for logging into the script, first of all we need to go to the folder, okay, as you are aware about it. So over the desktop, if I see the dir, I know there is a test.py. So that is my Python script over which I am testing. So if I write down test.py and just press enter, you can see what my script is doing. Okay, so it is in the background, it is logging into the device. Okay, so when I am running this script, it logging into the device and it is popping up with some kind of message to me. Okay, it is saying that just press 1 if you wanted to see the access list, press 2 if you wanted to see the interface statistics, okay, and press 9 if you want to get exit out of the program. So this is a small script. Maybe it is not so much technical, but script is there to show you what you can achieve using such kind of Python programs. So if I'm pressing 1, it will log in into the device automatically and will provide us the information. So as you can see that when I am pressing 1, okay, the access list status which I was showing you that I have created access list 10 and 11, it is showing me very like clearly over here. Okay, now again script is asking either you want to run some functions over here or no. See, these kind of functions you can create as much as you want as per your environment. Okay, so let me press 2 this time and let me check if it is providing me the status or no. So if you see, whenever I am pressing 2, it is providing me the fair enough all of the commands which are configured over my ASA lab. Okay, so this is what, like, how we can create the script and we can achieve our task. Okay, technical stuff you can add on once you will be able to know how to create such kind of stuff. So if you press 9, it will say a goodbye message and it will come out of the loop, or it will come out of the program which was showing you about the power of the automation. So thank you for joining and thank you for attending.